Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be showing you some WhatsApp tips and tricks which you must try in 2021. And so without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so before starting this video, let me show you one thing. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store and you have to search here for WhatsApp, and you have to check that whether is it updated to its latest version or not. And if it is not updated, then you have to click on update and update it to the latest version, and then follow the rest of my video. The new update, WhatsApp also came up with a new feature which they call to be the disappearing chats feature. Let me show you what this feature is all about, and also please make sure that this feature is used to automatically delete any private chat or any chat that contains some private data that is being transferred between any two person. All you need to do is to turn on that disappear chats option for any single chat, and within 7 days your chat that you have made with any person, that is any private chat or business related chat, anything like that, will get automatically deleted after 7 days. You don't need to worry about that. Let me show you how. So in order to make sure that all your chats or the private chats that you have made with any single person gets deleted automatically, all you need to do is to click on that chat and click on the number or the name, and you have to click on this option, that is disappearing messages. You have to click on it, and here some tutorial is given that what is this all about. All I have mentioned earlier, that it takes around 7 days to completely delete all your messages and data that you have shared with that person. And you have to click on continue, and you have to click on disappearing messages on. Okay, so after you click on, and then you have to go back, and here you will find that this kind of small tick will come. As you can see that here some a small clock like icon will come, which shows that after 7 days your message will get automatically deleted. Here as you can see that at the bottom also, here it is given that you turned on disappearing messages, and so after 7 days your messages will get automatically deleted. It is as simple as that. Okay, so what if I tell you that using a single keyboard application you can send different types of text, different writing formats, different writing fonts, styles, and animated GIFs and all those stuffs you can send in WhatsApp using a single keyboard. And this keyboard can also enhance your different writing styles as well. Let me show you how. Keyboard, which I have already talked about earlier, all you need to do is to download that application. I will be posting the link in the description box down below. After you successfully download it, and then after you install it, then this kind of interface will come. Then you have to click on this and turn it on, and click on OK. And so you have to click on this application and click on English India, and then click on next. Okay, so here is the interface of this application. Now all you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp section and click on any WhatsApp chat, and if you write any message, suppose I write hi. Okay, so if I click this button, as you can see that this, and so if I click on it, it will go like this kind of animation. And if I write hey, sorry, and then click on this font, and here I can customize according to my choice. I can click on this as well, and then if I send it, then you will get this kind of font And also if you go to this emote section like this, if you click on this emote and press and hold it, and then you can find this kind of animated type of emojis will go. And if we click on this heart emoji and click on it and then click it, and then you will find this kind of, all these things are customizable, and you can even customize it using this keyboard only. And also you can change the text format as well, as I have already told you that if you click hello like this, and then if you click on this one, then you will get this kind of text font as well. Sometimes people also turn off the read receipts option, which enables you to read all the messages that someone sends you without letting the sender know that you have already checked out all the messages. But that person who is sending you the message can even fool you by sending any voice recording of his or her, and so if you hear that voice recording for a single time, then the person who has sent you the message gets an idea that you have already read the previous messages, and that's why you can even hear that voice recording using an app, so that the person who have sent you the message will not know that whether you have listened that voice recording or not. Let me show you how. As I have told you earlier, that if you go to this three dot section and click on settings, and then go to accounts, and then go to privacy, from here you can see that there is an option called read receipts. So if you turn it off, then whenever someone sends you any message, that is if I send any message from any of the other WhatsApp, then here as you can see that if I have already seen this message, here the blue tick is not showing. So in that case, the sender can do one thing, he can press and hold this recording button. Hey, why are you not seeing my message? Okay, so after here it comes, then if you click on this and then if you hear it, then this sender gets an idea that you have already read all the previous messages, although you have turned that read receipts option off. So in that case, if you want to read this voice recording, all you need to do is click on this, click and hold on this application, this recording, and you have to click on this share button, and here from you have to go to an app where here it says that play voice message. This application I have already posted the link in the description box. You can download it, and you have to click on this application. You have to allow it once, and here you can hear this audio recording using this application, so that person will don't get any idea that whether you have heard that recording or not. All you need to do is click on this play button. Hey, why are you not seeing my message? And so here you go. Previously, WhatsApp's interface allowed you to set only a single type of wallpaper for all your WhatsApp contacts. But with this new update, you can set different WhatsApp wallpapers for your different WhatsApp chats itself. And let me show you how you can do it in your WhatsApp application itself. So as I have told you earlier, all you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp and click on any of the specific contact that you want to change the wallpaper, and click on this three dotted icon and click on the wallpaper, and from here you can select any one of those. If I click on dark, and I can select this, and I will set this wallpaper. Here as it is written that, as you can see that here it is written that for this chat only, and this one is that for all chats in light theme. So I don't want to set this wallpaper for all my chats, but for this single chat only. So I will click on the first option and then click on OK. Okay, so as you can see that here now if I go to any other chat, you can see that the wallpaper hasn't changed for that particular chat, but for that chat which I wanted to change, it has changed. So here you can separately set different types of wallpapers for different chats. Suppose you want to send any WhatsApp message to someone, that is some unknown person, without saving his or her number in your smartphone. Let me show you how you can do so, and also you can chat with yourself in WhatsApp as well. Let me show you how. So as I have told you, all you need to do is to head towards your any of your web browsers that you have. For instance, I am using this Google, and you have to search here for a URL that is http, then you have to give colon, then double slash, then you have to write wa.me, then you have to give a single slash, then you have to give +91. This is must, you have to give +91, and then you have to write the number that to which you want to send the message. So as I have told you earlier that you can even message your own WhatsApp number as well. All you need to do in place of this +91, in place of this without giving any other number, you have to give the number of yours only, that is your WhatsApp number you have to give here, and then you have to click enter, and you can also chat with your own WhatsApp number itself. It is as simple as that. After you have successfully given the number, that the specific number to which you want to send messages without saving the number itself, then click on this chat option. After you click on this chat option, you will find that the number to which you want to send a message, the chat interface has come, and you can do it simply and you can send anything, and here you go. With this new update, WhatsApp also came up with the storage management feature within their WhatsApp application itself. All you need to do, you need to just select the WhatsApp chat that belongs to a single person, and you can delete all those the photos, videos, PDF files that belongs to that single person. And also you can manage all those storage within that WhatsApp application itself. And the main problem that most of us face regarding this is that when all those contacts that are saved in our WhatsApp, when all those people sends us any photos or videos, all those stuffs, then all those things get like a cluster in our gallery, and we sometimes face difficulty in finding out that which person has sent us which message, and which PDF file, which images which person has sent. Will I need to delete this or that? And that gets a little bit of confusion, and so with this feature you can easily do so. Let me show you how. So as I have told you earlier, that if I click on this three dotted icon and then click on settings, from here I need to go to storage and data, click on it, and from here you will find an option. Here it says that manage storage, you have to click on it, and from here you can delete any chat, any particular chats, all the images or all those stuffs. If I want to delete all the chats from here, that is this user, I have to click on this option and then click on select all option, and now I have to click on this delete button. So now as you can see that all the chats that that all the videos or the photos that was sent to this number will automatically get deleted, and as a result you will get a free amount of storage here in the storage manager. As you can see that now it's saying that 2.3 GB used, previously it was 2.4 GB. Okay, so hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in this kind of WhatsApp tips and tricks. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.